There is a brand new discovery for the 2023 penny, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. You should be looking through every single one of your 2023 Lincoln pennies because people are selling them online right now for a lot of money, and the more that people find, the less value they may be worth. So if you do find one, I would sell it as quickly as possible before they decrease in value. So this one right here was graded by Annex at a mint state 67 red. Now all of these coins are going to have a VDB initial standing for Victor David Brenner, who was the initial engraver and designer of the Lincoln penny. He's going to be on all of these coins. Now what you need to look for is a small V after VDB. It's the smallest little detail that you don't want to miss that is making these coins worth a ton of money. This penny right here sold on eBay recently for $150. Same thing here, guys. If you look closely, I'll show you some good images of this coin that sold. There were 5 bids on this listing. It sold for $157 for this one little penny coin. Now just imagine coming across a whole roll of these coins and being able to sell the whole roll for $150 for each coin. That is a lot of money. Now this coin right here is a little bit different. This is what people call a doubled die obverse coin. So if you look at the VDB there is no V after, so it is not the VDB V error like the 2 previous coins were, but this is a doubled die. So if you're looking very closely, you'll see that doubling around Liberty at the left. The date can sometimes have doubling, and In God We Trust at the top has doubling as well. So keep your eyes peeled for these 2023 penny coins. They could be worth a ton of money. I have a coin and currency mastermind class that is coming soon. Click the link below to join the waitlist, and I will see you inside.